Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. So be ready. So we are continuing our statistics chapter. Out of 4 exercises, we are in the third exercise. Of course, all problems are same model. I can solve one problem and remaining I can give it as a homework. But I am not giving any homeworks. Each and every problem I am solving so that you can maintain the neat notebook. So it will be like a quick reference for future exams. So each and every problem I am solving, I am not leaving any. So if you want to do any extra problems as homework, you do it from the examples. Examples anyway I am not solving. So you solve the examples. Exercise problems, all the problems I am solving. Some students may feel bored. Like a same repetition, same model again, same model again, same model again, like that you may be, some students may be feeling bored. So don't feel bored because syllabus anyway it is, we can complete it, no tension with the syllabus. So almost all we completed, we are going to complete 3 chapters out of 14. So definitely we can complete the syllabus, no tension. Let us go slow only because many students are not able to solve their own. If I give the homework, see, there is no checking mechanism. In the school, if you give homework next day, again teacher will ask. But now, whether you are doing that homework or not, so it is very difficult to find out. And even if you won't get the solution, if you get the doubt, so there is no way to ask again. So therefore, I am solving each and every problem. So now, open the textbook, students. This is 350 page number. We are in 14.3 exercise. 14.3. So 350 page number. 14.3. In this we solved 3 problems out of 7. So I am not following the same textbook order. So as per the convenient I will solve. So because if any problem is a different model, so we will solve it later. First same model problems I am solving. So now first let me solve the 6th question. All of you write the 6th question, students. All of you write the 6th question. All problems I am going to solve, no worry. I am not leaving any problem. Even if the problem which I solved, if you don't understand also, you can put in chat box that I did not understood so and so problem number. So 6th question, students, write down the class interval and the frequency. This is, write the table. One to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. Write down the frequency table. The frequencies are 6, 30, 'Write the table. 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. This is the frequency table. The question is, determine the median numbers of the letters in the surnames. Median. And also mean. Both the questions, 3 questions are also. Median, mean and mode. So, first let us solve median. In the same order let us follow. And you just try to remember the procedure. Median. Yesterday some students were absent for the class because maybe heavy rains or power cuts like that. So, how to find the median? See the procedure. First we have to prepare the cumulative frequency. Actually it is called less than cumulative frequency. So find the cumulative frequency. Write down cumulative frequency. I am finding the median first. I am finding the median. Cumulative frequency. Students, find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means it is a less than cumulative frequency actually. Adding the frequencies from top. 6 plus 30, 36. You studied this in the 8th class statistics. 8th class statistics, less than cumulative frequency, LCF. That is first 6 plus 30, 36. 36 plus 40, 76. 76 plus 16, 92. 92 plus 4, 96. 96 plus 400. Total 100. Write down. Now, first we find the cumulative frequency, total 6 frequencies. 6 plus 30 is 36. 36 plus 40 is 76. 76 plus 16 is 92. 92 plus 4 is 96. 96 plus 4 is 100. Next we have to find the sum of the frequencies. Sum of all the frequencies. Find out the total. Find out the total. 636 plus 30 plus 40 plus 16 plus 4 plus 4. Add all this. You will get same 100 only. Add this. You will get same 100. Add all the frequencies. Find n by 2. What is n? 100. 100 by 2 is 50. First we have to add all the frequencies, that is 100 divided by 2, that is 50. Where this 50 lies, that is the median class. Up to here we have 6 observations. Up to here 36. So 37, 38, 39, 30, 40, 41, up to 76 it will lie here. So 50 will lie here. Up to here only 76. 50 doesn't come here. 50th observation will lie here. So this is the median class. Write down students, median class. Any doubt you can put in the chat box. Anything if you don't follow you can ask me. Next, where this 50 lies? This class. Because up to here 36 only. 37, 38, 39, 50, 50, 60, 75, 76, up to 76 here. So 50 will be here. So this is the lower boundary. And this frequency is denoted by F. The frequency is F. Above it is CF. Size of the class is 10 minus 7 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Same 3. Size of the class 3, lower boundary 7, frequency 40, cumulative frequency above the median class is 36. That is the procedure. First, we have to find n by 2, that is 100 by 2 is 50. Where the 50 lies? This class. So, this observation, write down. Lies in where? 7 to 10, this class, which is the median class. Which is the median class. So we have decided that this is the median class. So LE is the lower boundary of the median class, 7. Lower boundary. If these two are same, limits and boundaries are same. So this is lower boundary 7. F is frequency of the median class. Median class frequency, not cumulative frequency. Frequency. CF is cumulative frequency above the median class, just preceding 36, preceding term. H is size of the class. 7 minus 4, or like this we take. 7 minus 4 is 3, size of the class. So the formula for median is, write the formula. First, L is 7 plus n by 2 is 50. Cumulative frequency is 36. Into size of the class is 3 by frequency is 40. Minus 36 is 14, 3 is a 42 by 40. Do the simplification, students. Divide 42 by 40 with 2 table, then do the actual division and tell the value in decimals. See here. 42 by 40 is cancel with 2 table. 21 by 20. 21 times 20. Point. 0, not sufficient. Again 0. 0. 25 is 100. 1.05. So answer is 8.05. This division I am not explaining in detail because you know the division, you know the simplification. 2 table cancel, 21 by 20. So 21 divided by 20. 21 times 20, 1 remainder. Take the decimal because this 1 is less than 20. Decimal, take 1 0. It is not, it is smaller. Take 0 and 1 more 0. So 25 is 100. 8.05 answer. Write down it fast. Then for the same table, write the table once again. Find the mean also. Students, are you following or not? Now I am finding the mean. How to find the mean? Let us see. Find the mean for the same table. Write down the table once again. Don't continue this. Write the table once again. See here, how to find the mean. Just remember the process. We may be solved more than 13-14 problems on same model, mean. More than maybe around 15 problems we solved on mean. So just class interval and frequency is given, but in this mean, frequency is denoted by not f, that is fi, and then we find the mid values, mid value of the classes. Then we multiply these two. That is the procedure. Find the mid values of the classes, multiply this and this, add all this, divide this by this, that is the mean. Simple. +1 mid value, 1 and 4 mid value, lower limit plus upper limit by 2, 1 plus 4, 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5. 1 plus 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 2.5. This is the process for finding the mid values. Next, 4 plus 11 by 2. 4 plus 11. 4 plus 7. 11. 11 by 2 is 5.5. Or, what is the difference here? 3 difference. So, keep on adding 3. The difference is 3, no? Add 3. So, 2, if you add 3, 2.5 plus 3 is 5.5. 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Again, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. Like this. 1 plus 4 by 2. 5 by 2, 2.5. 4 plus 7 by 2. 11 by 2, 5.5. 7 plus 10, 17 by 2, 8.5. Like that you can write. Or, because the difference is 3, after getting this, add 3 to this. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 0.5 say. Then multiply these two and fill here. Multiply and tell. Students, you also do. See, don't wait me to solve the problem. Whenever you copy the question, you immediately start. If you commit any mistakes, no problem. Committing mistakes, you can learn the subject. Just don't feel that if I commit mistake again I have to cancel, notebook will not be neat like that. No. So if it is wrong, then cancel it. So then Fi into Xi, 6 into 2.5, multiply. 6 5 is a 30.3, 6 2 is a 8 plus 3, 11. 6 2 is a 12 plus 1, 13. 6 5 is a 33, 6 2 is a 12 plus 3, 15. 15 points. Do it. Multiply these two. 30 into 5.5. Multiply these two. Students, do it and tell. Add all these values, that is Fi into Xi. Add all the frequencies, that is sigma Fi. Add all these 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 only. No need of writing 0. After decimal, no need of writing 0. 8 plus 4, 12, 22. 9, 14, 9, 14, 22, 26, 32, 33, 3, 4, 7, 8. Students, see, is it correct? 832? You do it. Is it correct or not? This is the formula for mean. Sigma Fi Xi is 832. 0.0 means no value for it. 0, no, we don't write 0 after decimal. Last digit is 0, we don't write. By 100. 2 zeros are removed, decimal before 2 digits. 2 zeros if we remove, decimal should be kept here. Answer is 8.32. Write it fast. Students do mode also same mode. Again write the table. Full table you write. Again write the table, same question, it is like a third question, like same question, third bit. So median is asked, we did it. Mean is asked, we did it. Now mode is also asked. As I said, this three questions will not be asked in the same data because it becomes very lengthy and time, it will kill the time. So it will not be given. No confusion. Don't fear that this much big problem if it comes in the exam how to do. So all the three, finding all the three is time consuming. It will not be given. Only one. Find mean or mode or median. Now I am finding the mode. Try to remember the mode procedure steps. Students, try to remember the mode procedure. Again new table we have to write. It is like a separate problem. Separate problem, write the class interval frequency which is given in the textbook. Separate problem. Mode, again separate problem, finding the mode. Again draw the diagram or the table. Now, remember the mode procedure, students. I explained mode, so many problems we are doing. Lot of practice. So simple procedure. Mode is very simple. The highest frequency is called modal class. Wherever the highest frequency, which is highest 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. 40 is highest, that is called modal class. 40 is highest, it is called modal class. Forty is the highest frequency. Wherever the highest frequency, that is called modal class. Mode is very simple. See the highest value, that is modal class. The highest frequency is called F1. The highest frequency is F1. Above it F0, F0. Below it F2. Highest frequency F1. Immediately lower class, that is also called preceding class, F0. Immediately higher class, succeeding class, F2. L is the lower boundary and size of the class is 3. We got all, and the formula for mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 into H. This is the formula for mode. Write down, highest frequency is 40. Write down. Highest frequency 40 means this class is the mode class, modal class. Therefore, the class 7 to 10 is the modal class. The class 7 to 10 is a model class. Lower boundary of the model class 7. Frequency of the model class 40. Frequency of the preceding class F0, F0. Succeeding class frequency F2. Size of the class, size is 10 minus 7, 13 minus 10, any difference is 3. Substitute in this and get the answer. Yes, same problem, you have to find the mode. 7 plus F1 is 40 minus F0 is 30 into H is 3 by 2 F1 is 40 minus F0 36 30 minus 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. Forty minus 10, 40 minus 30 is 10 into 3 by 2 into 40, 80, 30, 16, 46, so 34, is it correct? Ten, 40 minus 30 is 10, 10 into 3, 30, directly I will write. 40 minus 30, 10, 10 into 3, 30 by 2 into 40, 80 minus. See the simplification, is it correct or not? If it is correct, then do the division. Cancel with the 2 table, 2 15s are 2 17s are. Point 16, 15 is less, 0.0. Write down. We got mean, first median, mean and also mode. All the three we calculated for this. So we are getting a lot of practice. I hope you may be also getting a lot of practice, because each and every problem in full steps I am detailedly solving. In a detailed way I am solving. So write down. Find the median, mean, mode. instead of simply writing mode, if you write in a as per the question question framing, then it will be good. So instead of simply writing mean, so median, and you can write like this. You see the question: determine the median number of letters. See here, median number of letters in the surname. Simply instead of writing median, if you write this sentence, it will be proper. How much we got? What is the median? How much we got? You write down there. Then even for mean also, mean number of, same as per the textbook sentence formation. Mean number of letters. Mean number of letters in the surname. Write down the mean answer here. And mode is highest number, which modal size of this surname. Mode is the highest occurs highest modal size of the surname. So instead of simply writing the mode, mean, median, if you write like this, it will be good. So same textbook sentence formation, whatever the sentence is asked, same way you write and write down the answer. So we got this is 7.88, and how much we got for the median and mode, you write down the answers. If you write like this, as per the given question sentence, same sentence if you use, it will be good. Students, all of you do the 7th question. So question is, find the median. You start. How to find the median? You know, you start the students. Do it. Prepare the cumulative frequency, then start. Write this table and start. Students, do it. Start. What we do first, how to find the median? First we find cumulative frequency. We find the cumulative frequency. cumulative frequency. Prepare the cumulative frequency. See here. 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Next, n. Sum of all the frequencies, 2 plus 3, 5, 13. If you add this, same we will get 30 only. Same. Add this, same we will get. How we got this? 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 6, 19. 19 plus 6, 25 plus 3, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Next, find n by 2. 30 by 2, 15. Lies in, where it lies? 15. Up to here only 2. Up to here only 5. Up to here only 13. 15 doesn't come here. 15 will not come. 15th up to here only 13 observations. So 15th, 14, after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, up to 19 it will be here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 will be here. So that means 15 will lie here. This is our median class. This is our median class. Its frequency is F. Its frequency is F. Above this, cumulative frequency is CF. Median class lower boundary is 55, which is L. Size is 5. 55 minus 50, 5. 50 minus 45. Any difference is 5. So write down. Lies in which class? 55 to 60 class. Therefore, it is the median class. Write down. L is the lower boundary of the median class, 55. See here. Frequency of the median class, 6. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class, lower class than the median class, 13. Size of the class is 5. So the formula for median is n by 2 is 15. Cumulative frequency 13. H is 5. F is 6. 15 minus 3, 2, 2, 5 is a 10 by 6. 10 by 6 is 2 by 3, 5 by 3. So divide it and get the answer in decimals. Anybody did? Five by 3. 1.666 like that. So round figure you can take it as a 7 also. 1.67. This is 55 plus 1, 56.66 or approximately 67 round figure. This is the procedure. Did you follow it or not?